Hi everyone. It's been a bit lonely on the discussion board in the last week or so. A few people went missing in action last week after the busy essay writing period. Don't worry, a bit of relaxation is good every now and then. I've had a very busy week reading and marking your essays. I can see that you've all worked really hard and I'm really enjoying reading them. I'm looking forward to seeing a big upswing in participation on the board this week, seeing lots of posts as you start getting ready for assessment 2. Participating on the discussion board, I know it's hard when you're really busy, but it is a really important part of understanding and refining your ideas. And it will really help you prepare for this assessment as well. Okay, so here is what we need to do this week. So this is our to-do list. There's the Fellows and Oakley reading, that's chapter 2. If you are short on time, then at least read from page 27 onwards. There's 2 very short activities. Both directly prepare you for the second assessment, so they shouldn't take you a huge amount of time, but it would be great if you could post your answers rather than doing them on your own. Bonus points for anybody who comments on somebody else's post. You could also spend some time catching up on the activities from last week. I'll check back into the week 4 forum as well for those of you who'd like to go back and do some of the activities there. This week's chill out zone is called 2 Truths and a Lie. I have posted 3 statements. 2 of them are true and 1 of them is a lie. I wonder if you can work out which one it is. Okay, moving on. All right, this is just an important quote from this week's reading. And it says this: "The use of language as a means of communication is integrated naturally into life experiences. It is employed so automatically in interaction with others that the various functions served may well be hard to identify." So I guess what this quote says or does is it illustrates a point that's really important for you to get out of this week's reading. Although we take speaking and listening for granted and think of them as really simple and natural skills, in fact, to be a good speaker or a good listener, there are actually an enormous number of little skills involved in developing those 2 key parts of communication. And part of our job as a teacher is to understand all the different functions of speaking and listening. We have to understand those to be able to help our students to learn the skills and areas that they need to learn. So this week's all about breaking down those aspects or functions of speaking and listening. Again, very important to be doing those activities. I look forward to seeing you on the board. Thanks everyone.